Have I got away with this? Pam ti isio fi na anyway?
Please, paid â dechrau hyn eto.
Sa'n ffit yn mewn 'da'r pobl na. Ti'n gwybod na?
A ti'n gwybod bod heno yn noson bwysig i fi?
Be? Champagne a siarad shit trwy'r nos?
Actually, dwi'n meddwl bod Rods di dweud mai tapas a cocktails di o. Kai, stopia, stopia. Kai.
I told you. I don't belong with those people. You don't understand what it's like for me doing mine.
Alli di mynd rwan?
I've got to.